Okay, so right now I am in a Adidas store inside of this premium outlet mall. Trying to see what they got in here. Probably nothing that I want. I ain't gonna lie. But let's see anyway. I ain't gonna lie, boy. We almost had some fear gods until I looked at the whole shoe. I almost got excited. From like here down, I almost got excited though. I almost had some fear gods, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. They got some of them denim pro fears right here. No, I don't know why, but I thought these right here was gonna do good when they first came out. But you know how hype go. They got some of them 59 joints or Nike, or whatever they wanted to call these joints. That's a decent little colorway, all the boost down. They got the Ultra Boost, the multicolor, and that white right here. You know, these, they alright, but I'm not a big fan of all white shoes or white period because, you know, it don't work good with me. And I don't know what this is. These joints look cold though. I don't know. Oh, these are climbers. These are climber joints. Ultra Boost. Like I said, I don't do good with white shoes at all. Got a pair of the Solar Glide joints. Boost going from the heel almost all the way to the toe, but it stops right there. Continental outsole. Pair of the Solar Boost joints. You know this, I mean, they just pumping the boost out, man. Contract from the end, they just pumping them out. Boost on everything. You get boost, he get boost, everybody gets boost. You got a pair of the Pure Boost joints. It is what it is, man. Come cop up, man. Cop your boost. They comfortable. They got a pair of the NMD R1s. I mean, this colorway look like it would have flew off the shelves back in the day, but like, man, you know, hype is retarded. Hype is crazy, man. So size 5 too. Probably would have been a money size back in the day. And they got a pair of these D-Rub joints right here. You know, these came and went so fast. They didn't even get a chance to start a wave. They was gone when they came out. So now we are in Finish Line up in the same premium outlet mall, man. So let's see what they got in here, man. So far, looking good. Show y'all a little bit. I see these Air Force One joints with the little camouflage print on them. These joints don't look that bad, honestly. And they got like a nubuck on a swoosh. These actually don't look bad, honestly. I don't even like ones though. And they also have this colorway right here, which actually look more cleaner than that pair. What does it say on the tongue? Real Tree. These actually look fire, and it look like this right here might be 3M, but it's nubuck though, so it's not nubuck. It look like it's some premium though. These don't look bad. Neither one of those colorways actually looks bad. I don't know why. I don't know why I like them. I don't like ones no more, but those are fire.
He also made some Soldier 12s that's made out the Woody.
Oh yeah, they going crazy. These the Buzz Lightyear 16s. These actually look fire, bro. Like the fact that they Buzz Lightyear, I like them.
I might get these on sale one day.
These are definitely fire though. I might have to get these on sale. I don't even like LeBrons, but these is fire though. Just because they Buzz Lightyear though, and I didn't even know it until my kicks told me that they was Buzz Lightyears. So them fire now. I really like these Kyries right here. These like some old vintage stuff right here. And they got the little tag hanging off of them. I said Kyries, I mean KDs. I'm tripping. I think I said Kyries, I meant KDs. But these definitely look fire though. They got some splattered paint, like look like some old school 90s vibe going on here. So these not bad. They still got the UNC 9s. They got these little patent leather gold toe reverse joints or whatever that people was going crazy over. Them SE. They also got them SEs right there that was selling out. They don't got the pine green joints. I'm guessing them boys flew off the shelf. And I look down here. They also have the Houston Rocket Timberlands. We got the Houston Rocket Timberlands and New York City Timberlands. If I had to choose though, these Houston Rockets go crazy. They even got the Houston State. They got the other one right here with all the teams on there as well. They got New York. Oh, they got the Big Apple right there on the side. These cold though for the city. I always say kids get all the best stuff. Like, no lie. Look at this. These are fire. These are fire, bro. Kids always get the best stuff. I think these got to be like a kids exclusive right here. They got the patches that remove. You can remove the patches, put them anywhere on the shoe. These is fire. I think these was a kids exclusive though. So I don't know if they went to extended sizes. I'm grabbing them. But these fire. These joints is fire.
Yeah.
Man, kids be having some cold shoes. I gotta see if they got these in extended sizes. Especially them Kyrie joints over there. If they do, then you feel me? I gotta go home with something nice. And it's not these ain't the regular 95 bottoms.
Yeah, this is their kids, yeah.
Yeah, these is dope. They got these 270s in here too. These is fire, bro. And it's stitched in. It's not like screen printed or nothing. This is actually stitched in. These joints is dope. These fire right here. Man, like I say, man, I always say kids get the best stuff. Swoosh right there. Nike branding on everything. Stitched in, swoosh right there. 270 stitched in. Everything is stitched in. These dope right here. Yeah, they also have these PG joints right here too for the 80 for the kids, man. Kids got the best shoes. I always say, me and my kick said this is modeled out the Wolverine. And like once they said that, I can see the color and how they match that up. So these is definitely fire, man. Shout out to Marvel. Fuck DC. Yeah, man. So now we are at the South Park Mall. You feel me? Up in Ohio. We finna go ahead and check this joint out. See what all they got in here. I see they got a bar loop. We got a couple of them in the city. But yeah, man, we at South Park Mall. As Eric Cartman say, anybody get in my way, I'll kick you square in the nuts. Alright, man. See y'all in here, gang, gang. So we are in a Footlocker right now, man. Let me show y'all what they got in this joint. I see some heat already. They got the new LeBron low joints, man, right here with the crown on the back. They got the lion head right there. These right here is decent, man. These ain't a pickup for me, but these are definitely decent for a LeBron head. This right here on the back feel something premium, man. Real dope right there. I actually wanted these Duke joints, man. I woke up too late. I had forgot about them. I woke up too late and they was sold out, man. You see the Duke head right there. These joints is fire though. I ain't gonna lie. I wanted the older Duke joints, but these joints is definitely fire though. They got the D right here. They got the one on the other one. I never seen these right here. These the Chinese New Year's Kyrie joints. I ain't never seen these, but these is definitely fire in hand though. Dope for hooping. And they got the Row Kids joints sitting. I still don't know why these sitting. These joints is fire. I still don't know why these sitting. We going to Sneaker Con. Y'all gonna get some sneaker content. But I'm finna hit up this Hot Topic, see how these pops looking, man. And I think they might have an FYE in here, so I'm gonna hit that up too. See y'all in a little bit. Gang, gang.